Ocean transport has been the largest mode of freight movement by volume throughout history. As of June 2014, there are about 5,090 container ships in the world, and the global TEU capacity is about 17.8 million TEU. The global ocean cargo industry faces many challenges. Some major challenges are dealing with the ever-increasing fuel charges, managing demand-supply fluctuations, adopting new techniques in shipment handling, providing an engaging customer experience, optimizing cargo operations, managing cost challenges, and maximize profit. Accenture Freight and Logistics Software provides advanced freight solutions that support end-to-end quote-to-contract process of an ocean carrier. The solution prevents revenue leakage throughout the life cycle by providing greater visibility on contribution and space availability. AFLS is designed based on key buyer and user persona problems and helps addressing most of them. Let us see how AFLS helps Mike, a revenue manager, to simplify his work. Mike works for a global shipping company that operates numerous vessels moving container cargo worldwide. Mike's main job is to maintain the market rates and approve quotes to be finalized into a contract. Let us see what Mike is doing today. Mike has received a mail from Lara that reads, "Hi Mike, I have sent you the updated market rates for various regions. I have attached the updated market rates along with the new market rates for the services created for new routes. Can you update the market rates repository with the attached rates?" In order to update the market rates repository, Mike has to perform the following steps. 1. The repository of market rates is stored as an Excel file. The data for each region is stored in separate sheets. 2. Mike needs to open the repository file and the attachment that Lara had sent. 3. From the origin and destination given for each row in the file sent by Lara, Mike accesses the correct sheet in the repository. 4. He then uses the filter option to filter out the correct record based on the origin, destination, commodity, container size, type, and period. 5. If he finds the correct match, he updates the market rate. 6. If he doesn't find a match, he creates a new record in the repository. 7. He continues the process for each record in the file sent by Lara. 8. Once he has updated the market rates, Mike forwards the updated rate sheet to the sales and back office teams for them to consume. Mike spends almost 8 hours a day in updating the market rates. This is a tiring exercise as he has to ensure that all records are updated accurately. While performing the above, Mike has received another email from the sales head. "Hi Mike, the market rate which you shared 2 days earlier is found to be incorrect. There is an overlap error. There are 2 rates available for shipping metals from Shanghai to Frankfurt. This is a repeated issue, and you know that we have lost 2 of our clients this quarter. Can you please be more careful in the future?" Mike is upset that despite being careful, he had made a mistake. He opens his next mail to see that it is a quote approval request for the quote ID QT-GNRL 00001030. Mike starts working on the quote approval. To approve the quote, he logs into their company's SharePoint site. 2. Opens the file with the given quote ID. 3. To take decision on accepting the rate, he refers to another Excel sheet where the minimum rates and cost are maintained. 4. Based on the minimum rates and cost, he calculates the contribution to the carrier and approves or rejects the quote accordingly. Mike spends about 20 minutes to approve or reject one quote approval request. He receives about 25 requests a day. Mike has to refer to the Excel file each time he needs to approve a quote and has to calculate the contribution before approving the same. Mike's challenge is to do accurate filing of market rates and approving the quotes without hitting the revenue. This is very simple using AFLS. Using AFLS, all that Mike has to do to load new market rates is access the bulk upload page and select the Schedule Ocean Market Rate Loader from the list. He can click on the Add New button in the Ocean Market Rate Loader results page and browse for the file containing market rates to be uploaded. He can specify date and time to schedule the update in the Ocean Market Rate Loader Add page and click on the Save button. The job will be executed as per schedule. The market rates are updated accurately and easily. To approve quotes, all that Mike has to do is access the queue console page. Click on the quote approval queue from the list. He can search for the unprocessed quotes from the quote approval queue search page. He can click on the quote ID to be approved from the search results page. The quote approval page will be displayed with the quote line details. He can select the quote line and click on the edit button to open it. He can check the cost, rates, surcharges and contribution before approving the quote. He can also provide the approver's comment before approving the quote and click on the accept button to approve the quote lines. He not only approves quotes in a jiffy but will also not make mistakes in calculating contributions. Mike is now a happy man. He can do more work accurately and his management is also happy. AFLS, maximizing performance for cargo carriers.